Thank you very much, Dr. Anduyan, for that insightful keynote address. Dr. Mavic Monte, together with the University President, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin Nebres III, and the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta A. Boris. Allow me to read a citation. Bicol University Center for Gender and Development Once again, allow me to read the citation. Bicol University Center for Gender and Development award the Certificate of Commendation to Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr., CESU 3, Director for CHED Regional Office 5, in recognition of your invaluable contribution as keynote speaker on the topic Leading with Purpose, the Role of God Advocates in Transforming Educational Institution during the MaGADyon Awards 2024. Given this 30th day of April 2025 at the Proxy Hotel, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed by Maria Victoria A. Monte, EDD, OIC Director of SIGAD, and Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, EDD, SUG President for Bicol University. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, another intermission number will be given by the BU MaGADyon Dance Troupe. Let's welcome them with a round of applause.
Oh yeah! Wow, that was an amazing performance from Bicol University MaGADyon Dance Troupe. Thank you for that energizing performance. At this point, may I call in Mr. Jomar V. Orpano to introduce our second keynote speaker.
Honorable guests, distinguished members of the Academy, valued partners, and fellow advocates of gender and development, a pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. Today, we are gathered not only to listen but to be inspired by a leader whose life and work exemplify the power of dedication, resilience, and genuine service to others. It is both an honor and a privilege to introduce our keynote speaker for this session, Building Bridges for Equality, Strengthening God Through Multisexual Linkages. Her name is synonymous with excellence, service, and lifelong commitment to human rights and gender equality. A true advocate for the rights of women, children, and marginalized groups, she has tirelessly conducted lectures, trainings, and forums across and even beyond the Bicol region. Her leadership extends beyond the CHR, as she also serves as co-chairperson for several key regional committees, including the Regional Juvenile Justice and Welfare Committee, Development Administration Committee of the RDC, and of course, the Regional Gender and Development Committee. Her accolades, including the Outstanding Alumni Awards from the University of Nueva Cáceres, the Bronze Award for Public Service from the RDC-5, and the Gawad Lopez Haina Award are a testament to her unwavering commitment to excellence and genuine public service. Under her leadership, the Commission on Human Rights Region 5 has received numerous awards, further affirming the positive impact of her work. Today, as she speaks to us about building bridges for equality through multisexual collaboration, let us open our minds and hearts to her insights. In a world that often seems divided, she reminds us that true progress comes when we work together across sectors, across divides, and across communities to uplift every voice, especially those at the margins. Let us give a warm and enthusiastic welcome to our second keynote speaker, Attorney Arlene Q. Alanco.
To the officers, staff, and students of the Bicol University, headed by its president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, to Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr., Director of the of the Commission on Higher Education, to the VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta A. Bores, ma'am. To the OIC Director of the Center for Gender and Development, Dr. Maria Victoria M. Monte. Guests, friends, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I'm honored to be part of this MaGADyon Award. Kasi, di ba, it sounds magayon. Magayon, using God, the gender and development. Now, this award is truly inspiring and serves as a testament to the sacrifices and strong will of people to witness the success of the implementation of RA 9710, or the Magna Carta of Women. You may not know it, but the Philippines is the very first Southeast Asian country to have this Magna Carta, and other Southeast Asian countries are also replicating this. So tayo po ang naging kauna-unahan na nagkaroon nitong komprehensibong batas para maalis po ang diskriminasyon sa kababaihan. Since 2009, When RA 9710 came into force, efforts had been geared towards achieving the goals set by the law. We have taken baby steps, we are furthering our actions, pero makikita pa rin po natin sa mga balita na halos araw-araw ay may naririnig po tayong balita tungkol sa gender-based violence and abuses. And we note that the power of collective action and the crucial role of multi-sectoral linkages have played an important role in strengthening gender and development efforts. As RA 9710 seeks to eliminate gender discrimination and promote equitable opportunities for all, this ambitious goal requires more than just a good legal framework. It demands concerted efforts from all forts, duty bearers and stakeholders alike. Marami pong magagandang batas sa Pilipinas, but we somehow fall short in the implementation. Pagdating po sa mga batas, lalong-lalo na sa mga batas na may kinalaman sa gender and development, marami po tayo. At marami rin pong advokasya tayong ginagawa. Pero kulang pa rin po. So dapat po nating ipagpatuloy. We dream of a gender-equal society. We cannot just leave it as a dream. We have to move towards fulfilling that dream. We started with RA 9710, which gave us the GOD program as a development perspective and process that is participatory, empowering, sustainable, and free from violence. And to achieve this, we need to build bridges between different sectors. We need to forge alliances that will break traditional barriers and boundaries. We foster strong partnerships among key players, the government agencies, private sectors, civil society organizations, academic institutions, and the community itself. And the Commission on Human Rights have a very strong partner in Bicol University, being the very first center for human rights education in the entire Bicol region, and a very good God partner as well. We have to create platforms for dialogue, discussions, and information sharing, which enables us to learn from each other, as there is no monopoly of knowledge and information. This also helps us harness expertise and widen resources. What can we share? What can we do? Bawat isa po sa atin ay merong maiko-contribute. Government agencies may lead in developing and enforcing gender-responsive policies, the implementation and effectiveness of which will depend on the collaborative efforts of other key players. Private sectors may play a significant role in funding GOD initiatives. CSOs may mobilize resources. Academic institutions may conduct researches. And I know na ang Bicol University po ay may napakagaling na research institution. There is much that we can do if we foster a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. Each one has something to share. No one has everything to give. To create a just and equitable society, remember that alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Let us continue to acknowledge contributions, encourage participation, and strengthen professional partnerships. Let me congratulate, on behalf of the Commission on Human Rights and the Regional Gender and Development Council, the Bicol University for worthwhile activities and for helping promote gender and development. You have been truly an inspiring university, serving not only the people in your institution, but the community as well. Thank you very much, and may you continue with your worthwhile endeavor.
Thank you very much, Attorney Alanco, for that insightful keynote address and for affirming the role of gender and development in making an equal and inclusive society. Now, to present the certificate and token of commendation, may I invite on stage the Director of the Center for Gender and Development, Dr. Mavic Monte, together with the University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, and the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta A. Boris. Citation reads, Bicol University Center for Gender and Development awards the Certificate of Commendation to Attorney Arlene Q. Alanco, the Co-Chair Argad C. Director of the Commission on Human Rights RO5, in recognition of your invaluable contribution as keynote speaker on the topic, Building Bridges for Equality, Strengthening God through Multi-Sectoral Linkages, during the MaGADyon Awards 2024. Given this 30th day of April 2025 at the Proxy Hotel, Legazpi City, Philippines, side by Dr. Maria Victoria M. Monte, the OIC Director of the Bicol University Center for Gender and Development, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, ZUC President for Bicol University. Muli, palakpakan po natin si Attorney Arlene Alanco.
Now, we move on to the presentation of certificates of commendation to the former GAD coordinators who have played an integral role in advocating for an inclusive Bicol University. To present this award, may I call on Dr. Jean Annette Ibo, Dean, Bicol University College of Nursing, and Dr. Ophelia Summersey, Dean of Bicol University College of Medicine.
Allow me to read the citation. Bicol University Center for Gender and Development awards this certificate of commendation to the former GAD coordinators in special and sincere recognition for their active participation and meritorious contributions that contributed to the excellence and advancement of the gender and development mainstreaming efforts of Bicol University. Given this 30th day of April 2025, during the MaGADyon Awards 2024 at the Proxy Hotel, Legazpi City, Philippines, signed by Dr. Maria Victoria M. Monte, the OIC Director of the Center for Gender and Development, Bicol University, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, ZUC President for Bicol University.
These commendations are being awarded to former GAD coordinators who had contributed to the GAD advocacy work in and out of the university.
May we request the awardees to come up the stage to receive the humble recognition. In case the awardee is not around, may we request the unit or college dean or director to receive the award on behalf of the different awardees.
In no particular order, the first awardee is Miss Roslyn O. Ragas of Bicol University, Ginobatan.
Awardee is Miss Maria Richelle M. Marcaida of Bicol University, Guba.
Bicol University College of Engineering.
May we know if the representative or guide coordinator from engineering is around? Or the dean can probably receive? Wala. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ibo and Dr. Summer C. Let's give a big round of applause to our former GAD coordinators. Your strong dedication is a monumental contribution to Bicol University, particularly to the Center for Gender and Development. We express our heartfelt gratitude for your tireless advocacy in empowering women and promoting inclusivity for all genders. Your efforts are truly unparalleled.
At this point, let us as well recognize the outstanding performance of the non-teaching personnel as GAD coordinators. To present the award, may I request Dr. MaGADyon Katangi, Dean of BU Pulangi, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, Dean, College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, and University Professor.
Allow me first to read a citation. Bicol University Center for Gender and Development award the Certificate of Commendation to the non-teaching personnel in a special and sincere recognition for their active participation and meritorious contributions for the year 2024 that contributed to the excellence and advancement of the gender and development mainstreaming efforts of Bicol University. Given this 30th day of April 2025 during the MaGADyon Awards 2024 at the Proxy Hotel Legazpi City, Philippines, signed by Dr. Maria Mavic Monte, OIC Director, Center for Gender and Development, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUG President for Bicol University.
This award of commendation is being given to recognize the unselfish efforts and services by the non-teaching personnel as GAD coordinator for 2024.
May we request the awardee to come up the stage to receive this humble recognition.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Miss Michelle B. Andes of the Bicol University College of Law.
And last but not the least, Dr. Maritoni A. Canyabiral of BU University Health Services.
Thank you very much, Dr. Katangi and Attorney Nepomuceno.
At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us all recognize the outstanding performance of the teaching personnel as GAD coordinators. To present the award, may I request Dr. Noime Ibo, Dean of JMRIGD, and Dr. Rosemary R. Haji, Dean of Bicol University Gubat Campus.
Citation reads, Bicol University Center for Gender and Development awards the Certificate of Commendation to the GAD coordinators in special and sincere recognition for their active participation and meritorious contribution as the GAD coordinator of specific colleges and units for the year 2024 that contributed to the excellence and advancement of the God mainstreaming efforts of Bicol University. Given this 30th day of April 2025, during the MaGADyon Awards 2024 at the Proxy Hotel, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Maria Victoria M. Monte, OIC Director, Center for Gender and Development, and Dr. Bibi Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President for Bicol University.
This is to recognize the commendable efforts and services provided by the teaching personnel as GAD coordinators for 2024.
May we request the awardees to come up the stage to receive this humble recognition.
The first is Dr. Alicia A. Asaitono of BU College of Arts and Letters.
To present the award, may I request Dr. Jennifer S. Barameda.
Annalisa O. Pabiloda of Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management.
Dr. Maria Victoria M. Monte of BU College of Education.
Dr. Mark Hildon Villa Abrilie of Bicol University College of Dental Medicine.
Engineer Gary V. Hilutin of BU College of Engineering.
Dr. Lizette Chuan of Bicol University College of Medicine.
Dr. Odette R. Gonzalez of BU College of Nursing.
May we also call in as well Mr. Jaymar Bonaobra of Bicol University College of Science.
Mr. Mark M. Gatos of BU College of Social Science and Philosophy.
Mr. Jason Balingbing of BU Gubat.
Next is Miss Cecilia Rosa L. Pacham of BU Ginubatan.
Architect Maureen M. Sia of Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture.
Mr. Robert John G. Lud of BU Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation.
Miss K. Geribaldo Sabia of Bicol University Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, Graduate School and Open University.
Miss April Joy B. Noyes of BU Pulangi.
Next is Mr. Albert Balase of BU Tabaco.
Dr. Maria Victoria Imonte of BU College of Education.
Dr. Rowena F. Soilo of Bicol University Research Development and Extension.
And last but not the least, Dr. Rosabina Y. Villanueva of BU College of Industrial Technology.
Congratulations to everyone.
Alright, congratulations to our current GAD coordinator and a heartfelt thanks for being the dedicated pillars of the Center for Gender and Development. Your commitment to inclusivity, empowerment, and equality continues to inspire and uplift our community. Thank you for your tireless service, not just to the university, but to the greater cause of humanity.
At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us also give special recognition to those individuals who had a God-related publication and presentation of research, extension, and other creative works. Before we proceed to the said awards, may we award the same certificate of commendation to Engineer Gary V. Hilutin in special and sincere recognition for active participation and meritorious contribution as the GAD coordinator of the Bicol University College of Engineering for 2024 that contributed to the excellence and advancement of the GAD mainstreaming efforts of Bicol Universities. Congratulations, Engineer Hiluti. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, at this juncture, let us give special recognition to those individuals who had a God-related publication and presentation of research, extension, and other creative works. To present the award, may I call on stage the Director for the Center for Gender and Development, Dr. Mavic Monte, together with the University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, and the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta A. Boris.
Special recognition for GAD-related publication and presentation of research, extension, and other creative works. This is to give special recognition for GAD-related publication of research, extension, and other creative works of the GAD coordinators and GAD Secretariat. Citation reads, Bicol University Center for Gender and Development award the Certificate of Recognition to Mr. Mark M. Gatus in grateful acknowledgement of his outstanding contribution to the advancement of gender and development through the publication of GAD-related scholarly work. His dedication to promoting gender equality, equity, and inclusivity through research and advocacy is truly commendable and serves as a source of inspiration within the academic and wider community. Given this 30th day of April 2025, during the MaGADyon Awards 2024 at the Proxy Hotel, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Maria Victoria M. Monte, OIC Director, Center for Gender and Development, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUP President for Bicol University. Same certificate is awarded to Mr. Albert B. Balase of Bicol University, Tabaco.
And same certificate of recognition for paper presentation is awarded to Dr. Gilbert E. Lopez. Also would like to acknowledge the arrival of our Albay Governor, Maybe Glenda o palakpakan po natin ang ating gobernador. At this point in our program, we take a moment to recognize the exceptional individuals who successfully passed the rigorous selection to be part of the Regional and National Gender and Development Resource Pool of the Philippines. This distinguished pool comprises certified advocates, educators, and practitioners who have undergone rigorous training and accreditation by the Philippine Commission on Women, the primary policy-making and coordinating body on women's empowerment and gender equality in the country. Allow me to read a citation. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Dr. Sarah Jane B. Labarda in grateful recognition of her dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to advancing gender and development. Your successful inclusion in the Regional GAD pool reflects not only your competence, but also your passion for fostering gender equality and inclusive governance. Your contribution inspires others and strengthens our shared vision of a more responsive and inclusive community. Given this 30th day of April 2025, during the MaGADyon Awards 2024 at the Proxy Hotel, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Maria Mavic Monte, OIC Director of the Center for Gender and Development, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, SUC President for Bicol University. Certificate of recognition is given to Ms. Gretchen B. Miliena for being qualified as the member of the National GAD Resource Pool. And of course, Dr. Noel R. Ruffer as also qualified for being the National Guard Resource Pool.
Congratulations, Dr. Ruffer, Ma'am Gretchen, and Ma'am Sarah for this milestone. To give another intermission number, may I call in once again the Bicol University Albay MaGADyon Dance Troupe.
Viking Zilla. Stairs up to the time. Vibes cartel. Ladies. Static. Hey, girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, bend your top. Everything shot. Girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, king shot. Hey girl, just wine and bend over. Giving to the beat of the soca. Do it all on tabletop on the sofa. Girls from Trinidad, girl from Europa, girl from Jamaica, girl from Toga. Bend so low so me can see your shoulder. Bumper spin like the wheel of a roller. Come your beauty, I'm the beholder. Love when you bend and you wine and watch over. Rough ride. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off. Hey girl, bend your back, yeah. Bubble panda, kick, bend your top. Everything shot. Hey girl, bend your back. Bubble panda, kick, bend your top. Everything shot. She said she feel hurt. Baby girl, just strung out your tongue and wine from the biddy man, cock up your bumper. Work and still on the desk. Tell say sex and a girl can't test. Wine in the sun, wine up on the rain. To be go nice and Trinidad nice. Girl from South and from Port of Spain. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off. Hey girl, bend your back, yeah. Bubble panda, kick, bend your top. Everything shot. Hey girl, bend your back. Bubble panda, kick, bend your top. Everything shot. You want the song, girl? Feel on suit. Where she can pop it all thinking foot. I want that a rat bat. She said thanks, me say welcome mat. At a shooting range, so your thing shot. One to woman twine up like a knot. Two me a dart and no joke, no laugh. Burn off it up when the missile go off. Rough ride. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. Ride till the bicycle broke off. Rough ride. Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off. 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 Ride till the bicycle broke off, broke off.
Thank you very much, Albay MaGADyon Dance Troupe, for that energetic performance. Now, for the most awaited part of this afternoon, the MaGADyon Awards 2024, where the Bicol University Center for Gender and Development will recognize individuals, units, and college who showed excellence and most outstanding performance in 2024.
Our first set of awards is on organizational level, awarding of the Outstanding Linkage and Network. The award is evaluated based on the following criteria: number of activities implemented with God, budget allocation for SIGAD activity, extent of engagement with diverse stakeholders, impact and sustainability of the network or linkage activities, and innovation and effectiveness of collaborative efforts. To present the award,
may I call on Dr. Maria Julieta B. Porres, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Rosemary R. Haji, Dean, Bicol University, Gubat Campus, Dr. Jean Annette Salalimago, Education Supervisor to CHED Regional Office 5.
may we also call to award the token and certificate Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr., and Attorney Arlene Q. Alangco.
This award is being given to the outstanding GAD linkage and network of the BU CGAD who have contributed greatly to the accomplishment of the same for 2024.
For this award, in no particular order, the nominees are PNP Malilipot, Provincial Government of Albay, and BFP Region 5.
We have a tie. For third place are LGU Malilipot
And Bureau of Fire Protection Region 5.
The Outstanding Linkage Network for 2024, first placer is Provincial Government of Albay.
May we request for a short message from the representative of the winning linkage, none other than Honorable Glenda Bongao. Go. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Isang mainit na hapon sa lahat. Though sobrang busy kami sa Tabaco City, but I have to be here. Basta any invitation coming from the Bicol University, kailangan nandito ako. So, on behalf of the Provincial Government of Albay, I am honored to accept this award. And gender and development po has been an essential foundation of good governance. We can only achieve real progress if no one is left behind. An inclusive government is a government for all. And I am proud of my provincial government of Albay family that in our annual PPA or program projects and activities and of course a budget, we put emphasis on addressing gender issues and bridging gender gaps. We're always open to any form of collaboration to ensure an effective implementation of GAD programs. So maraming salamat po sa pagmidbid na ini. Thank you so much, Bicol University family, of course headed by Dr. Baby Boy. Kung siya po ay Baby Boy, ako naman po ay Baby Glenda. And of course, the BU Center for Gender and Development. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to the provincial government of Albay for being the most outstanding linkage and network. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next award is the Outstanding Gender Responsive College. The Outstanding Gender Responsive College is evaluated based on the following criteria. People, which includes human resources and capacity development. Policy, which includes the gender-responsive policies and institutional commitments. Enabling mechanisms, which includes structural and financial resources, and programs, activities, and projects. The nominees for the Outstanding Gender Responsive College are Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, Bicol University College of Education, Bicol University Ginobatan, and Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture. Let us watch their accomplishment through these short videos.
Babae ako at may silbi sa lipunan di paaapi. Isinusulong ko mga layunin, karapatan sa mga usapin. Sa edukasyon, sanay, hirap ang kalusugan taglay. Pakikipaglaban sa karahasan, sa matungtong galian. Babae akong may panindigan, di matitinag kailan pa man. Babae ako na may karapatan, may boses, may kakayahan. Malakas ang loob, pusong totoo, kayang-kaya ko, sinuhan ako sa buong bansa at buong mundo'y pagsigawan. Sinuhan ako. Babae ako, kayang pamunuan, magdesisyon para sa karamihan. Mekanismong dulot ay pagunlad, sa kababa iyong ipatutupad. Sa usaping ekonomiya, sa lahat ng pagtaot ng media. Sa kabataan, kalikasan, kasama ng buong sambayanan. Babae akong may panindigan, di matitinag kailan pa man. Babae ako na may karapatan, may boses, may kakayahan. Malakas ang loob, pusong totoo, kayang-kaya ko, sinuhan ako sa buong bansa. mga babaeng palaban ng hamon ng buhay dito susukuan. Kung may kapal sa'yo'y nananali, handang harapin ang mga malaki. Kung siya wala babaeng palaban ng hamon ng buhay dito susukuan. Wala ka, siwala ka. Matipid kailan pa man. Babayad ko na may karapatan, may boses, may kakayahan. Malakas ang loob, pusong totoo, kayang-kaya ko, siwana ako. Sa buong bansa at buong mundo'y pasigawan.
To present the awardees, may I call on Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, University Professor, Dean, Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Dr. Rosemary R. Haji, Dean, Bicol University Gubat Campus, Dr. Jean Paulette Salalimago, Education Supervisor 2, CHED Regional Office 5.
We will also invite on stage to award the token and certificate Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr. and Attorney Arlene Alang.
Together with Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III.
We have a tripod tie for third place. These are BU Ginubatan.
We have also Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management.
And lastly, the BU Institute of Design and Architecture.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Outstanding God Responsive College or Institute for 2024 is Bicol University College of Education. Congratulations.
Muli palakpakan natin ang College of Education. Congratulations once again to all the winners and all colleges and units for being gender responsive. Yet, the Bicol University College of Education is the 2024 Most Outstanding Gender Responsive College of the University. Our next award is the Most Outstanding God Coordinator. The Outstanding God Coordinator is evaluated based on the following criteria: implementation of God activities, attendance at capacity building and trainings, monitoring and supervision of God responsive spaces, production and distribution of IEZ materials, and timeliness and completeness of reports and documentations. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for the Outstanding God Coordinators are Cecilia Rose O. Pacham of BU Ginubata, Architect Maureen M. Sia of Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, Ms. Annalisa O. Pabilona of Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us watch these videos for their presentations.
Kamangha-mangha talaga, wala. Ang kahirapan, kaya mong labanan. Ang iyong karapatan, hindi mo bibitawan. Ang karahasan, di mo papayagan. Ang iyong kaalaman ay sadya mong yaman. Sa dilim ng papansin ng iyong taglay na liwanag. Kung di ka na umaako sa kagandahan. Sa tibay at husay, talisay kang tunay. Mahalaga ka talaga sa ating bayan. Kamangha-mangha talaga, wala. Di ka kukupas dahil ikaw ay ginto. Ikaw ay ginto. Kapaligiran sa'yo'y mahalaga. Bigay mo ang panasakit na walang katapusan. Kalusugan mo't prinsipyo.
To present the awardees for the Outstanding God Coordinator for 2024, may I call on Ms. Myra A. Caparas, OIC Chief Administrative Officer, Dr. Timson M. Rivero, Dean, BU College of Business Economics and Management, Dr. Jean Paulette Salalimago, Education Supervisor to Chet Regional Office 5.
May also invite on stage to award the token and certificate of commendation to Police Captain Alex Alcantara, Dr. Jonathan Arroco, the Dean of Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, and Dr. Maria Victoria Monte, the OIC Director of UCGAD, and Dr. Maria Julieta A. Borres, Vice President for Academic Affairs.
For this recognition of Outstanding God Coordinator, the third place is Miss Annalisa Pabilona of BU College of Business, Economics, and Management.
The second place is Miss Cecilia Rosa O. Patiam of BU Ganabatan.
University GAD Coordinator for 2024 is Architect Maureen M. Sia of BU Institute of Design and Architecture.
Congratulations to the winners, and congratulations once again to this year's Outstanding Linkage or Partner Agency, Outstanding God Responsive College or Unit, and Outstanding God Coordinator. They deserve a resounding round of applause. It is indeed a remarkable feat, and may this bring inspiration and continued support to further expand our horizon towards gender and development.
And now let us welcome once again an intermission number from Bicol University, Albay MaGADyon Dance Troupe.
Lalakad lang ang beauty queen, aura ko will make you scream. Ganda kong magniningning, lalo kang mapapatingin. Hindi ko na kailangan na magpaganda, ako pa lang panalo na. Di ko tayo ng Balik sa camera, napurang na naibagera. Di ko kailangang sumabay ka sa puso. Ako'y magiging na aking ginagawa. Ang nakera, ako'y hinarapa. Di magpapatid at ako di ba?
Kalma, you wanna shake, you wanna lugin, kalma, you wanna flirt, you wanna come on,
Favorito, ako na na yung labi mo. Have you done, let's go. Put it on my throat. We gon' make movies and something sa
pero makakita, di na mangyayari kung ulit. Di ako papayag nang di ka mauuli. Kung talaga kong nasihati, sobrang swabe, ang salbahe. Piling, papalaban, ang atake. At balakang na lang ang kailangan. Tapos na kagad ang usapan. I wanna see her booty go, cheeky by cheek. I wanna see her booty go.
Maraming salamat, MaGADyon Dance Troupe, sa napakahusay na pagsasayaw. So before we listen to the closing remarks, allow us as well to recognize the partners of the Center for Gender and Development in making this activity a success. So may I invite on stage Dr. Maria Victoria Monte, the Director, the OIC Director of the Center for Gender and Development, and Police Captain Alex Alcantara. Allow me to read the citation. Bicol University Center for Gender and Development award the Certificate of Commendation to BU MaGADyon Dance Troupe in special and sincerest recognition for their meritorious contribution and exemplary performance during the MaGADyon Awards 2024. Given this 38th day of April 2025 during the MaGADyon Awards 2024 at the Proxy Hotel, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Maria Victoria M. Monte, the OIC Director, BUC GAD, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUG President for Bicol University. Same certificate is given to BU Coral.
Same certificate is awarded to BU Cuerdas Operandi.
And same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Bicol University Communication and Public Relations Office. Thank you very much once again to our partner agencies and organizations. Now to listen for the closing remarks, may I call in our very dynamic Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta E. Borres, for the closing remarks.
To our visionary president of Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres. Our esteemed guests from CHED Regional Office Number 5, headed by none other than also a very dynamic leader, R.D. Demetrio Anduyan Jr. Thank you, sir, for gracing our event. Together with him is Dr. Jean Paulette Salanimago, a very good friend. To the co-chair of RGADC and also the director of the Commission on Human Rights Regional Office 5, Attorney Arlene A. Q. Olanco. To the God Fairy, kasi I remember we used to call Dr. Noel as the goddess, so I would baptize this moment Dr. Mavic Monte, the God Fairy of BU, CGAD. OIC Director, Dr. Maria Victoria Monte, whom I suppose is passing well the tests. If this is the first test na being the OIC Director, you are doing well. Congratulations, palakpakan naman natin. Itong first big event which Madam Monte is spearheaded. To my fellow VPs, the deans and directors, particularly those who are still here, the very hard-working GAD coordinators, our awardees, nominees, partner agencies, collaborators from other agency, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, sarong MaGADyon na hapon. This is, I believe, the 4th year that we are celebrating or holding this MaGADyon Award. MaGADyon, coined from the word Magayon and God. And this is a very good tradition that we have started 4 years ago and that we are continuing up to now, which I believe we will be continuing in the years to come. So as we end this event, I invite everyone to take a moment to reflect on the very essence of this occasion. The MaGADyon Award is not only being held to celebrate outstanding achievements of our awardees, but rather this is a strong commitment of our institution to gender and development and to fostering an inclusive and equitable environment for all. By honoring those who have made significant stride in promoting gender equality, we reaffirm our collective responsibility to champion this value in our daily lives, both on campus and beyond. Once again, my warmest congratulations to both the nominees and, of course, to the awardees. You inspire many of us with your passion and perseverance to continually advance gender and development. Your dedication and hard work truly resonate the spirit of Bicol University as a university for humanity, where diversity is not just celebrated, but it is an integral part to our mission for academic excellence and social responsibility. On behalf of Bicol University, I express my gratitude to all of you who have worked tirelessly to make this occasion a success. Kudos to Madam Mavic Monte and to your team. Also, my greatest appreciation to all those who made this event colorful, particularly to our very talented BU students, the MaGADyon dance group, then the BU Choral and the Cuerdas Operandi. Palagpakan naman natin. At the onset of the program, we were truly entertained by their music. And also, to our keynote speakers, to our presenters, especially to our guests from other institutions, thank you so much for your presence. Your attendance, your presence this afternoon is an affirmation of your commitment to the noble cause of the gender and development. Thank you once again, and let's enjoy the rest of this afternoon.
Thank you very much, Dr. Boris, for that wonderful closing remarks. And now, as we are reaching towards the end of our ceremonies, isang masigabong palakpakan para sa lahat ng nakilahok at nakisa sa hapong ito. Likewise, we would like to thank the following for their big help in making these ceremonies a success. Bicol University officials headed by Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III,
respective deans and directors,
respective associate deans and directors, and our plenary speakers,
distinguished guests and dignitaries,
Communication and Public Relations Office headed by Dr. Renalyn E. Bautista,
Center for Gender and Development headed by Dr. Maria Victoria Monte,
the Sigad Angels, Camille, Iza, Jom, Jazz, and Mambrech,
BO Albay MaGADyon Dance Troupe,
all the colleges and units of the university,
the GAD Coordinator,
all the awardees,
Proxy Hotel by the Oriental for the food and accommodation,
and to everyone who contributed greatly to the success of this event.
This has been a great day. Congratulations to all the awardees, and on behalf of the Bicol University Center for Gender and Development, allow us to thank you for your time, presence, and support to this laudable culmination.
Kudos to Bicol University, kudos to Bicol University Center for Gender and Development. Mabuhay ang advokasya ng SIGAD, mabuhay ang lahat ng kasarian at pangkasarian, lalong-lalo na ang mga kababaihan. Mabuhay ang Bicol University.
We have been your host for this year's MaGADyon Awards 2024. I am Gilbert E. Lopez.
And I am Mark M. Gatos, the BU GAD Coordinator of the Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, now signing off.
It's a celebration.
You can enjoy now the rest of the day for the photo opportunity ng venue. Thank you very much for that attending.
Your celebration.